In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-column text boxes that balance columns in PowerPoint. Let's start by selecting the text box you want to split. Click once on the text box so you see the border with sizing handles. This tells PowerPoint exactly which text you want to format. If you haven't typed your content yet, that's fine. Columns work whether the box is full of text or still empty. With the text box selected, go to the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, look for the Columns option. In some versions of PowerPoint, you may also find this under Format and then Columns. The wording is consistent, and you're looking for the control that sets how many columns your text will flow into. Choose the number of columns you want. 2 columns is great for most slides because it keeps text readable, while 3 can work if your content is shorter or you want a magazine-style look. As soon as you pick an option, PowerPoint splits the text in that box into the chosen number of columns. For finer control, click More Columns. Here, you can adjust the spacing between columns, often called the gutter. Increasing the spacing adds breathing room and helps your audience track lines easily. Make sure to check Equal Column Width. This keeps the columns balanced, so both sides look consistent, which is especially helpful for clean, professional layouts. You'll notice that your text automatically flows across the columns. As you add, delete, or edit text, PowerPoint reflows everything for you, filling one column and then moving to the next. This saves time and helps maintain a polished look without manually adjusting line breaks. If the columns look too cramped or too wide, resize the text box to fine-tune the layout. Drag the side handles to change the width of the box, which directly affects the width of each column. You can also drag the corner handles to resize proportionally. The goal is to find a comfortable line length and a gutter width that keeps text readable while fitting your slide design. If your columns feel uneven visually, tweak the text box size or adjust the spacing in the More Columns settings until it looks balanced. That's it. Select the text box, choose Columns from the Home tab or Format menu, set the number of columns, refine with More Columns and Equal Column Width, and let the text flow. Resize the text box if needed, and you're done.